Mini Aero radio controlled NIKKO or NIKKO, however you want to say it, American Incorporated. Made in Korea. So, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we have acquired a 1/24 scale mini aerial radio controlled RC that I picked up at auction for a relatively good price. So let me see if I can find a date on here. Yeah, everything but okay, yeah, no date. So I have another one as well that's blue with the chrome wheels, and man, look at those tires on there. Does have the metal antenna, which I do not particularly like, but you know, obviously this was made back in the day with that metal antenna. Let's see, you know it's old when they have to advertise that it's fully assembled, battery operated, runs forward, it's independent suspension system, and turns in reverse. Okay, yeah, so let's crack this thing open, shall we, and see what we got. And as you can see here, this is the only thing that's holding the box open. I mean, this is the only thing that's keeping the box from being open, is this one little piece of tape here that's hanging on for dear life. Well, it's time for that to change. And like that, it is open. Alright, so I apologize for the background noise. You might hear the fan because it's hot back here, and you might hear the dryer, which is making it hot. So I got the fan on to compensate for the dryer heat. I'm in my man cave, but it's being occupied at the moment because I have no other quiet place in the house to shoot this video. Alright, so before we take it out the styrofoam, pretty nice detail on the tires. Nice tread pattern there. The wheels spin freely. Cool. So let's take it out. So just pull this little piece out the back, and maybe we can get this out without disturbing the styrofoam and getting these little pieces all over the place. Oh yeah. And let's see if we can utilize this styrofoam. Okay, so antennas all wrapped around there. Oh, this is hideous. Okay, so metal antenna aside, this is what she looks like. Suspension has a little play in her. In the front has a lot of play for the suspension, so yeah, I suspect she can do some nice jumps. I mean, excuse me. Yeah. with a name like Mini Aero, we're going to see if it lives up to its name. Alright, well, let's take the controller out and see what that looks like. Y'all bear with me. It's kind of hard to do this with camera in one hand and filming and then getting the controller out with the other. But yeah, we did it. Okay, so I'm noticing something right off the rip. Where is, didn't it say it had reverse? There's no left turn or right turn. But I thought it said that, wait, let's get the box. Okay, so we got high impact bumper forward, left turn, and reverse running. Oh, so we don't have forward, reverse, and turn. Where in the world can we reverse it if this doesn't go? It looks like it just goes straight. Wow. Okay, well, I guess we're going to have to get some batteries that is, of course, not included. We need a 9-volt battery for the transmitter and a couple AA batteries. So stay tuned for that video. I can't really say that I'm super excited to see what this thing is going to do. I would like to hope that it would do what it's advertised, but I don't know how I can go in reverse when all I got is forward, and I don't know how I can turn when I don't have turn. Okay, so yeah, this ought to be interesting. So stay tuned for that video, and we're still working on getting the carburetor for the Traxxas, so make sure you're subscribed. If you're new to the channel, stay tuned for that. That should be coming here shortly, and yeah, y'all stay tuned for this, because I'm not sure what it's going on here, but nevertheless, if we're disappointed with this guy, it's all good. We still have some other toys that we can check out. Alright, so y'all be easy. See you on the next one. Peace.